Today is 29 August 2019. Market open and moved downwards. Now, after the initial downward move, market managed to recover and close well, up 25 points to close at 3081. Now, mentioned in the previous videos, market already oversold, so we do expect a throwback or a counter trend. So going forward, this gap here will provide some kind of resistance. It's at about 3100. Support will be the intraday low here at about 3040. Now, if you take a look at the downward move itself, you notice this gap offers some kind of resistance. There's an attempt to want to close this gap. Similarly, over here, there's an attempt to try to close this gap. So we may well expect a similar behavior over here. Now, we are not out of the wood yet, so generally market is still downtrends unless there is a catalyst to trigger a run like this. So at this point in time, it's still premature to actually go long. Now, there are some very obvious stocks, particularly the REITs. This is Maple Commercials, a very strong move in the last two sessions. Now, mentioned in many of the previous videos, REITs tend to be sluggish and it's better to actually trade on weekly charts. And if you take a look, there is actually an increase in range. So I'm concerned that this could be an exhaustion move. So if you have this position, you just have to watch closely. Couple DC REIT, quite similar patterns. Alright, today managed to make another high. Ascenders India Trust run up very nicely, quite obvious from the moving averages itself. Here we have a pullback bounce, like to actually wait for it to break above this high here, 149. Currently the pullbacks volume is low. Now of course we still have one more day. Now apart from this, the other strong stock is actually Thai Beverage. A bit sluggish though, but you can see actually generally is still trending upwards. Most of the stocks has already suffered severe sell down. We have a very deep correction. Here we have a big deeper setups to come back high. Here is at 92 cents. So for the pullbacks are completely low volume. Now I mentioned the previous videos Sheng Siong's, but these are sluggish. It's better to trade on the weekly charts. Likewise for CMNC Gold Mine. The weekly charts of CMC Gold Mine. Here we have a small dipper low for a break above the side here of 325. You have to be very mindful. We have a previous resistance high here, which posed a resistance. So I'd like to see it taken up. The majority of stock generally weak, but it's just that you found some supports. Let's take the oil related stock. This is Capital Corp. Notice over here it suffered very severe sell down. Alright, and found some support at this level here, a previous low. And today's stage an up bar. Alright, again this is a counter trend, and during the throwback we can look for setups to short. A much weaker stock is actually Sembcorp Industry and Sembcorp Marine. If you take a look, managed to achieve break significant support, and you can see the daylight is fairly big. The order of throwback is very high, so during the throwback we can look for setups to short the stocks. It's the Sembcorp Marine. Again, notice very severe sell downs, and today's stage in the up bar, so we expect throwback. During the throwback we look for setup. CSC Global. Again, make a low on the 26th and trade 3 inside day. We'd like to see take up this low here of 42 cents.